Hi, welcome to Miss T Ideas. I hope everybody had a happy Thanksgiving. Uh, Today I am going to show you something I've been working on. And I'm also working on a Christmas junk journal too. Um, yeah, that's going to be a talking journal because what I mean is it's going to be like every day of like December, how my life has been impacted. December. All right, I'm gonna show you that journal, but first of all, I want to take this time. Hey, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you've been rocking with me the whole time, welcome, welcome, welcome. Well, or select the song, welcome back. Okay. I would like to take the time to say thank you to Maria MarGonCreations. Maria blessed me, y'all, with some glue. Maria blessed me with some glue, and you know us crafters. Yeah, you gotta invest in glue. I'm just saying. I can show you how to make stuff with other stuff. I can show you how to repurpose. I can show you how to try to make something out of nothing. Um, you know how I like to do. But glue, yeah, you may have to invest a little bit in glue. And God is good. Maria blessed me with some glue, y'all. I put some in a bottle because I have a 3-gallon jar container of glue. I used this glue last night. It works really well. And this Maria's Creations. Maria, the whole name is Maria Margon Creations. And y'all go visit her channel. And another thing she blessed me with was the liquid glue and glue sticks. I want to thank her for that. That's so sweet. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right. Now, for this journal that I'm working on, right here. This right here. I started on this because I wanted to make a December daily. I wanted to make a December. I read the scriptures. I read scriptures every day. Um, and I reflect in here. This is the traveler's notebook. I don't know why they call it that. I've seen it. Kathy's garden, on Kathy's garden. I've seen her make one and other people too, but I watch Kathy a lot. And I looked at it and I made one, and I tried to make it junky. I mean like rogue and you know, old and vintage. So I'm gonna show you some of the stuff I did. I put lace here, and I had some blue lace. I had some little dots. I hope you can see it. My lighting isn't good. I'm gonna have to figure out some kind of lighting, where the light kind of burst out, like just even, instead of stationary light. I don't know what I'm talking about, but I know what I'm talking about. Um, I worked on this, and I'm not through working on it. And this is where I'm keeping my December daily. I daily read the scriptures, and I record what I've read in my journal. So, got pockets here. I'm not through with it. It's brand new, y'all. It's so new you probably could smell it. It probably still smell new. I made that with some cord stock. And I had some paper that beautiful paper that Renee from God Creating Hands. She sent me a she sent me a Happy Mail with some of the prettiest stuff. You know, because I don't have pretty papers. Okay. Hey, I'm still a student of the craft. Okay. This here was in that Happy Mail too. And that dress pretty. I can see myself going to a function and put on something like that. Hey, secret. I'm about that life. You know, costume dressing, and you know, I like tea too. Um, I was telling them that on a video in my group how much I love tea. I like tea. I like, yeah, that's the tea, the cups of tea, hot tea. I like tea, and I have tea sets. I have the real, some of them is the real McCoy tea sets from, you know, estate sales. I didn't pay that much for them. I happen to be the right place at the right time, okay? Because she don't have money like that. Anyway, um, yeah, I'm talkative today, y'all. So excuse me. Yeah. Now, all that to say, I'd wear a dress like this. I mean, you know, in a costume setting, you know, a tea party, you know, just, yeah, playing. Like, yeah, I'd wear it. Probably won't fit me like right, though. Because, I ain't cheap like that. Anyway, let me carry on. I put December journal here. I put this ribbon here. I don't think it's supposed to be seen. To make me a bookmark. Bookmark. You can make a bookmark. You can put whatever you want on it. I just have this on it for now because I'm still working in it and working on it. Okay, I just had it ribbon right there. But you put it in the this they got a professional name for what the end of the book is called. But anyway, you put it down there by behind the spine, and a piece of it come out. So I just put something right there. I don't have to keep that part. I'm looking for this part, okay? With the travel journal. Traveler's journal. I don't know why they call it that, but it's okay. I like the size of this journal too. I took a stamp and I stamped some what look like sewing stitches. Where's that stamp? You remember I told you I put it in a stamp? I didn't do them all. I just want the book to be booking. I got some pockets here. I got just put some stuff in it that I may put at a later date, like some little smiley face stickers and stuff. This is my pages where I mark off the scriptures I read. This is what I do daily. And I just wanted to show you the journal that I made. Another pocket. And this is a signature. See? Papers in it. I hope everybody's safe from all that snow. Some people are snowed in, and I mean they've had so many accidents on the road. Where I'm at, we don't get snow like that. But in some of them, you know, a lot of them big cities, they get a lot of snow and all in the street, and just a lot of snow that I don't know anything about. We had a good snow a couple of years ago, and hey, that's the most snow that my city knew about, ever seen. I mean, I made a snowman. Named the snowman and called the snowman Susie Snow Snow. I got a little video of it. Y'all want to see it? Anyway, I'm playing, but I do have the snowman. I'm playing by the video. I do have one though. I just dressed it up a little bit with stickers and butterfly, like butterflies, and just say life is beautiful. I just stamped that. I stamped that bike. Another pocket. It's just 4 pockets, 4 or 5. No, more than 4. No. Pocket here, 1, 2. I gotta see. I gotta see for myself. Let's see. 3. I do have stitches on here. This is step 4. I have 5. 5, no, 6, 7, 8. Wow, I didn't know I had 8 pockets in here. And these strings you see right here is from the thread that where I sewed stitches on the end of the papers. And it make it look a little, yeah, make it look a little rough, grungy. Yeah, that's the word, grungy. Get stickers in it, and I put the eyelets. This is a piece of fabric. I think it's muslin. Tie it up like this. And I left a lot of room for it to grow. Because I could put stuff in the pockets, overflow. But this should be more than enough papers. 30 papers, pages for the month of December. My traveler's journal. I'm going to have to look that up why they call it that. And all of this came from cardstock and paper. Scrapbook paper. So, I want to show you another thing. It's premature me showing you that. I'm not going to show it to you real good. My mouth is dry. I'm not going to show it to you real good because it's not finished. It's not finished. Okay. This right here. One of my followers, and my friend Marie, at MarGonCreations, she made some. I've been making leather for a while now, and she made some, and it came out beautifully. And I heard her say, "Oh, well, I don't know what to make. What I'm gonna do with it." But she's real talented too. She would find something to do with it. But anyway, I'm making a wallet. And this right here, I just put this plate on here. That don't mean it's going to stay there. This is just, what they call it, I guess, a prototype. I don't know if that's the word. But this is with the leather, the faux leather I made. Okay, so I'm just trying to feel my way because I've made things with the leather. But I've never made this kind of wallet. And the inside. This here, I need to show you that these here are pockets for credit cards. But like I said, I'm working on it, y'all. I'm working on it, and it got 3 pockets here. Hey, I'm working on it. This is just some scraps that I'm putting together. Okay, I'm just trying to figure something out. And this right here, it comes open like this. Your regular wallet. Let's see. This is just something I'm playing with right now. And you put your money, you know how wallets do, and I wasn't going to have this on it. See, I was just going to keep it closed like that. But I decided to. And look, it's going to have a pocket like this. Maria, are you watching? Let's see. Get this out. Yeah. I must have stuck it in there. Okay, hold on. I'm showing you this, and this is way premature. Because I'm trying to figure out how to do it. I've never done it. I'm trying to figure out how to make a wallet. I'm trying to make one as close as I can to, the factory ones that I see. And what? Practice makes perfect. First you don't succeed. Try again. Okay. Let's see, this is supposed to be my credit card. It's playing like my credit card, okay? This is a packet. Now, act like you don't see that part, okay? That's the kind of wallet I was making. It's a pocket. These pockets. These are pockets. I have 3 of them. Let me see what else opens. Okay, I forgot a little bit. Okay. So I'm gonna put a button. I decided to put this flap here. I don't know why. Because I couldn't make it look fancy with the flap. I'm not through with it. I should have gave it a chance, more of a chance. But I have a lot of faux leather that I made, so hey, I'm not running out. I put this as support. Like when you put your button, just some extra support when I put a button on there. So I'm really going to treat it as a pouch since I turned it from a makeshift wallet to a front pouch. There. So this is what I'm doing, and this is the Traveler's Journal. And if you've been on the video the whole time, hey, thank you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate you watching. And please come back, hit the like, share, and subscribe. I like the video. If you found anything interesting, hey, stick around because the best is yet to come. Okay? I have a Christmas one, and I will make this. I will make this on camera. So I'm going to end this video because I feel like I'm falling asleep. I'm going to end this video. This is Miss T Ideas. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.